cool. Don't like the way she's holding her arms. Oh, look. Up above us. Something doesn't seem quite right, does it? Oh, it's horrible. That's horrible. Ugh. Horrible. So I turn the light on. That's better. Yeah, Naya. Naya and Nai. Naya's the older brother, Nai's the smaller one. Oh, horrible. I hate spiders. So she was a big spider all along, it would seem. Can we rock? I don't remember this. I don't remember how to do this. I'm assuming we have to just rock it like this. Yes. Oh, get off. Get off him. Bosh. I'll grab that leg. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, it's awful. Careful. Oh, she's following me. It's horrible. Oh. Get off. Thank you. Pull that leg off as well. Oh, it's so horrible. I hate spiders so much. Come on, come on. Get off him. Get off him. Come on. Oh, he's pushing me away. Come on. There you go. Let's get rid of that. Oh, it's horrible. It's a bit like Limbo, isn't it, this? She's having trouble there. Maybe I can just pull the legs off without her having to be on her back. No, I can't. I think I need to roll into her again. Get her on her back. Come on. There it goes. She was doing a good job at staying away from me there, though. Oh, I almost feel bad. It's horrible doing this. Music's horrible as well. Oh! He knows about Naya. Left stick doesn't work because he's too hurt, so I can only use the right stick for Nai. And it's funny how much you notice that you can't move at all. There you go, left stick, nothing. Oops! Oh my goodness! Oh, that can't be doing his wounds any good. Oh. Oh, stunning. That's the tree. If anyone has ever read or seen The Fountain, it reminds me a bit of that actually. This tree. Wait here. Oh wow. Come on. No left stick again, just the right stick. God, look at the size of this thing. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, yeah, I can get on it. Up you go. Huge nest. So you've got quite a linear path, but it doesn't feel like it. It feels like I found that way up myself. And this is what we came for our father. And now for Naya, my brother. Down we go. Oh, we... It's too late. Ah, that bit always gets me. Right stick only again. Again, the weight of that feels quite strong. Only using one stick. Strange as that sounds. What a horrible thing to have to do. Nice to know he was okay after all. He was just tired, I assume. Oh. Oh dear. Every time I play this game. Oh. I love this, seeing where we've been. And beautiful soundtrack. Wow. That's pathetic fallacy if ever I've seen it. Oh, wow. There's still such beauty even in such sadness, isn't there? Thank you, Owly. Still back to the right stick. Let's go back to Dad. Take him the skin of water of life. Or whatever it is, I assume that's what it is. Yeah, definitely appropriate weather. Never more has he needed his brother. Look, trying to get across the water, which he can't swim in. Poor little kid. Step into the sea. Stands there shaking his head. I can't do it. And the controller is rumbling. I can't do it. How do I get across? And now this is the bit that gets me every time, and this is the reason why you should play the game, to feel the weight of it and how important this is. But if you remember, controlling little Nai there is the right controller and the right trigger, and the left controller, the left stick and the left trigger were the older brother. And look what happens if I press the left trigger now. And then the rumbling stops as soon as I let go of it. It's just incredible. The idea being that you've had your brother with you all the way through. Suddenly he's no longer there, but in almost channeling him and remembering him by pressing the left trigger means that he's able to overcome his fears, and he'll talk like that. he's able to overcome his fears and get across the water. I think that is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful way of doing it. And here we go, here's our house up here, you'll remember from the start. Where we wheeled him down the... wheeled our father down the hill. And over here, that's our mother's grave. Let's go. Let's go and get the stuff to our father. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. Never has pulling the left trigger on an Xbox 360 controller been so emotional and so profound. And I know that sounds like a silly thing to say, but hopefully you understand what I mean by that. It's just such a beautifully thought out, well designed way of doing it. And again, he tries pulling this, and you remember he's too small to be able to pull that big lever. Channel the big brother by pressing the left one. His trigger. And he can do it. Remember, he can't quite reach that. Once again, he needs his brother. Here we go. So good. That's me.
Ati, Daba.
Abi.
Heno.
Shame he must be so tired. Beautiful place they live, isn't it? And there's the second grave next to the mother. Beautiful, beautiful game full of beautiful music, beautiful panoramas, beautiful environments, characters, and just an absolutely stunning idea and ending. This game does a lot that other games don't, in terms of it has... I wouldn't say it's a happy ending, because it's not, but it... You know, you sort of see how it could be interpreted as happy because of how he's learned how to remember his brother and so on and so forth. You know, you've watched all of this, you can make up your own mind on whether you think it's good. But quite honestly, I mean, that's the third time I've played it through, and I enjoyed it almost as much as the first time, you know. Each time I'm able to see something new in it, something fresh and something beautiful and exciting and fun. And of course something, you know, heart-tuggingly sad. And it does get me every time. That bit, that beautiful bit where he's weeping over the body of his dead brother, and then the next thing you know, his brother's standing up giving him a hug, almost as if to say goodbye, and then the camera sort of swings round. And you know, he'd imagined it. It wasn't there. And it's, yeah, I don't think there's anything I'd change in that. The characters never say a word that you understand anyway. It's all done through suggestion and implication, and, you know, a pretend language, or certainly, you know, if that is actually a language, it's one I'm not familiar with, so obviously I don't know what they're saying. And yeah, a sad ending to it. It's about, what was that, 2.5 hours of gameplay? I mean, I knew what I was doing, so add maybe 10-15 minutes for people who get stuck on the puzzles and things, but it's just beautiful, just absolutely wonderful, and I'm so glad that I'm able to share it with you guys, because well, hopefully you've all played it before, because the best way to experience this game, I think, is to play it. And to feel the importance of having that channeling of the second brother through the older brother, through pressing that left trigger. It's pressing that left trigger. You know, my brother recommended this game to me. And if Michael, my brother, recommends a game to me, you know it's going to be good, because he doesn't, you know, he's quite a hard man to please when it comes to games. So he suggested it to me, and I sort of said, oh yeah, I'll give that a go, And I sat down and I played it all in one playthrough, like I have just done now. I think that's the way to do it. You've got to play it all in one. And yeah, I finished it, and I sort of said to him, this is incredible. And he said, yeah, you know, the ideas that they have and the way of getting all that across without actually telling you anything or saying a word, and also using the controls in such an emotionally weighted way. What a fantastic idea. And you know, if you have a brother or even a sister or a sibling or anything like that, or any family member at all, you know, you'll understand how you can look up to them and how they influence how you see the world and take on challenges and do things. And yeah, I think there's a hell of a lot to be learned from this game, both in terms of game development, and what can and should be done in games more, and yeah, just in life in general. Superb, really stunning. And there's nothing I'd change about it either. But what I would say is I would recommend going and picking this game up. You know, even if it means that you wait a few months until you know, got a sort of fuzzy memory of what happened in my playthrough, still go and pick it up. You won't regret it. You can play this through several times and still find joy in it. It's usually like $6.99 or $5.99 or something along those lines. So it's under, yeah, it's just over £5. It will be about $10, maybe a bit less. And it's always in the sales as well. So you know, the Steam sales whenever there's one. Just look out for this game, Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. It's just divine. And thank you very much, as I say, for all of you watching this and sharing it with me. It's been a real joy to play this for you, so thank you. And oh look, there's a ship or a boat, I'd not seen that before. Anyway, there you go. That's my self-indulgent set of videos done. Something I've wanted to share with you for quite a long time. Go and pick it up, and yeah, let me know what you thought of it down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think of it. Anyway, stay safe and have a lovely day or weekend or whenever you're watching this, and yeah, peace and love. Bye bye guys.